everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandra. I am loving_life_7 at Poshmark. I sell some on eBay and I'm on Mercari. I'm also on Instagram. I'm so glad you're here. We're doing an unboxing from a different company this time. I am so glad to and excited to try out this new company. Rebecca the reseller uses this company and I thought I would check them out. If you haven't followed or checked out her channel, she's fantastic. This is through a company called Jomar, and these are all new items. And I got 3 boxes. There's 20 items per box. This one is a smaller one, and I have another larger box over here. It's going to have 40 items in it. For total, I paid $2.53. Makes them about $4.22 total with everything. Which is fantastic. So I also have another box coming that's actually more like 3 something because I got it on sale through the same company, so that one's coming later on. But in the meantime, let's go through this box and see what we have. These are women's tops, various sizes and styles, so let's check this out. This is Romans size 12. This is Elos size 10. And this one is also Elos size 12. This one is a 12 width. And this is R&R. I don't know if that's Romans or a different one. I'm still trying to get familiar with these companies. Romans size 12 blouse. This is a size small 12. And I can't see what the brand is on this one. Just see that. Romans a size 14 width. These are some really pretty tops. This is a denim 24/7 size 12 width. 12 width again, a Romans. It looks like a blouse. Again, 12 size 14 Romans. Pretty with lace. I'm so excited to list these. 14 width Romans again, a 12 in width, and this is hard to tell. Oh, Romans. Yeah, this is a Romans. Another Romans, 14 width. It's got some good sizes, you guys. I'm excited for that. Size 12 Elos, another blouse top. These are a lot of great casual and workwear. 14 width, again, Romans. Romans, again, 14 width. I think that's, yeah, same. I think that might be the same top. We got 2 of those. This is an Elos, size small, 10-12. Got a lot of different variety, which is great. We got another Romans, size 12 width top. 12 width again in Romans. A nice variety of prints too. 12 width, a Jessica London. This looks like a paisley blueprint. So again, I'm all in at $2.53. It makes it about, again, like $4.22 per top, per item. I will be working on listing these once I finish my last other box that I was working on. And I'll probably do an unboxing of the next box of these probably at the end of the week. It's going to take me a good week, a couple days to finish up what I have here. I'm going to start listing these, and then we'll get the other one unboxed. I do have some other videos on my YouTube channel. One is about how I do likers and send out offers. I'm thinking about doing one about how I got started in all this. I also have some other items, so check it out. Thank you so much for joining us, you guys. I'm so glad you're here. This is Thursday, which means happy Friday Eve. And if I don't see you guys before then, have a really fantastic weekend, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.